I continue. I just hope that the first part was not too long. It's supposed to be 10 minutes long, 15 at the most. I feel it was a bit over. So I'll do the next one. I was talking about, I made my discoveries from the Hubble diagram, basically from the Hubble diagram. I found that marvelous pattern came out. I had spirals within spirals of everything, and filaments everywhere. This is what I found that the cosmos is composed of: spirals within spirals, and filaments everywhere. Right? There is no beginning to space or end, and there is no beginning to time, no end. Everything infinite and eternal. Yes. Basically, I treat the orthodox results for the formula, and this then yields the correct distances from which everything else, from which I agree to everything else. So now, let's see, cosmology. There is no. I'm jumping around a bit. I'm very sorry. I'm doing this from memory. But yes, getting near to the end of what I'm trying to say, but please excuse me, I'm trying to think what I was saying. I was talking about, yes, that's what I usually remember. There is no, they talk about an expansion of the universe. There is no such thing. There is no expansion. Although there is, not the one kind that, there's no cosmological expansion. There is a slow, linear expansion with every field. All of these things, they see you out from the white hole center and follow this S curve around. That's what I mean by the linear expansion, but it's slow and it's linear. It's nothing. This cosmological expansion idea is at a bilge. It's rubbish. So there's no Big Bang. Well, there's no Big Bang. What we've got is little plops in it for all fields. Little plops, not bang, no Big Bangs. It's a silly term anyway, because space, one thing is, there's all sound, there's no sound, it's space. All right, so that's cosmology and astronomy. But I've also made marvelous discoveries in economics on how to spread the wealth, and we certainly need a cure for the economic mess that the world is in. And my spread the wealth idea will solve this. You really need to go to WordPress on Twitter. Get my tweets. Go to WordPress on Twitter and get my tweets, and look up especially article L7, and all the rest of my articles, because they're all marvelous. Even though I say so myself, they're all marvelous, judging by the results, marvelous discoveries. So if you go, you can do it through Twitter to get into WordPress, and you can pick up my articles once you get my site there. You'll get a much clearer exposition of what I found out and what you get on these videos. Yes, so spreading the wealth is one of my other big finds. I've made quite a number of them. So the point is, my discoveries would advance humanity at least 1 million years. They are so fantastic, even though I insist, I say so myself. Please read them. And then, of course, 2012, which I've already mentioned, and the alien takeover are the other two big things. But it's personal evolution is another thing, and time travel is yet another. Although, of course, I didn't discover time travel. But I'm just mentioning it. I also go into time travel and many other fascinating things. Like life after death, things like this. And I'm getting to the end. That's why I'm getting hard up for words here, because I'm getting to the end of what I'm trying to say. So there are all these subjects: 2012 alien takeover, World War III started, really. Spread the wealth by my methods, ratings, and also monetarily. And my one marvelous nature's telescope, fine iron microscope. And many other subjects. So go to my website, vicsesoterica.com, vicsesoterica.com, and also that's my archives. And the current site is conspiracy theories, all one word. Conspiracy theories, all one word. Yola site, one word. YOLASITE. .com. Please go to those sites, if you will, and learn on many solutions to many mysteries of the universe. Well, that's about it. I have to end now. I better come to a close now, because I have to, in order to get them out, I have to do videos of 10 minutes maximum. The bay outside 15, so I see it's just gone 10 minutes now. But I've made some fantastic discoveries. And I do urge you to get onto Twitter, and get my WordPress, and get onto my site through there and read the articles, especially on 2012 and cosmology and astronomy, and of course the alien takeover. That's about it. So I think it's about 10 minutes now I've been on this particular video, and I'm going to split it up into 2 parts. Wanted to do it in one big section. All right, thanks for listening, folks, if you did, and those who did, if any. And if you check into WordPress, you should get a rich list there. Astronomy has got the opposite of it first. sorry, but there it is. So that's about it. Thank you. Goodbye.